Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each Monday we introduce a new cocktail. We're here at Muddy River Distillery, North Carolina's oldest legal rum distillery. I'm Robbie. This is Caroline. Well, Caroline, what's our drink for today?
Today we are making the Maple Cooler. This is one of our favorites. Muddy River worked at the Fourth Ward Holiday Home Tour in Charlotte this weekend, and we were reminiscing about the times when we lived there when we first started the company. So it brought this to our minds.
Yeah, living in Fourth Ward back in the day, the company was a different place back then.
It was.
Our friends and neighbors, Kelly and Walid, made the most amazing drink with our Queen Charlotte's Reserve back home. So we want to show it to you guys. So let's get started. What do we need to do this, Caroline?
Well, we're going to start with our Queen Charlotte's Reserve rum.
Queen Charlotte is our most awarded product. Queen Charlotte gets its name from living in the Queen City. It's barrel-aged in virgin American white oak for 1 year, and it's just another level. We call this the gateway rum for the whiskey drinker. So a rum drinker can appreciate, but a whiskey drinker can also really appreciate. So we're going to do
1 shot of that, about 1.5 ounces, Queen Charlotte's Reserve. Ooh, a fancy pouring.
That's how I like to do it here.
Then fresh squeezed orange juice. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of that as well. Now make sure you use fresh squeezed orange juice. Just get a couple oranges. It's about 1 orange is about 1 ounce.
Totally nice.
And it really makes a difference with the fresh squeeze.
Oh, yeah.
Do it for this for sure.
I'd say this is the one drink you can't cheat with the store-bought stuff. It's just, I mean, if you've got to do it, you got to use the real thing. So it's not that big of a deal.
No.
All right, so I've got the Queen Charlotte and the orange juice. What's next?
Then 1/2 ounce of maple syrup.
All right.
So 1/2 ounce is a tablespoon too, if you just want to take a tablespoon and dump it in.
We're using real maple syrup. Is this stuff I got when I was in Canada selling rum?
Yeah, I think so. In the maple leaf glass, eh?
Mm-hmm.
And then 1 ounce of club soda to give it a little bubble.
All right, 1 ounce of club soda.
Mm-hmm.
Try not to miss this time. Cool.
Then top it off with 3 dashes of bitters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to give it a stir. You want to garnish us with an orange as well?
Will do.
Yeah, you want to make sure to stir it pretty well with the maple syrup since this is a cold drink. You want that maple syrup to dissolve pretty well.
Rim this glass with the orange zest really adds a little bit to it. All right, so that's yours. So I can get that orange to stay on there. I'm no professional, so that'll be mine.
Hey, that works.
Hey.
That aromatics will still get in your nose,
It is amazing already. I haven't even tried it yet. I'm super excited.
That's the maple cooler.
Mm-hmm. Cheers. Just like Kelly and Walid used to do it. I mean, they're still around, but this is their drink. Really appreciate that.
Well, Queen Charlotte makes great Christmas presents as well as our other products.
Great for drinking around friends and family this year. And we have links to more recipes in the description below on our Facebook page, Instagram, and on our Muddy River Mixology Monday channel. I hope you liked the video today. For cocktail description, how we made this drink, look at the description below. If you're interested in more information about Muddy River Distillery, please check out our website, www.muddyriverdistillery.com. You can find our recipes, things about us and our distillery. You can find our products for sale in North Carolina liquor stores. In South Carolina liquor stores, we now sell online through Bigfish Spirits in Illinois. And if you don't see us in your local store, please ask for us. Enjoy the rest of your holidays. Thanks for watching. Cheers again.
Cheers.
How's it going?
you had more tripods. You have like 3 tripods. Tripods. Tripod it onto the top of the tripod, right? Did I brush my hair this morning?
I didn't.
Good.